children, do you like birthday parties? Today we are going to celebrate a calf's birthday. Do you want to join in the fun?
Yay!
Smiles and Skills presents See Phonetics Story. Once upon a time, there was a cute cat. Her name was Kathy. Cat. One day, she met a mama cow. Cow. Mama cow looked confused. The cat asked, "Can I help you?" Mama cow smiled and replied, "Oh, yes. Today is my calf's birthday." Calf. I need a cake to celebrate her birthday. Can you help me bake a cake for my calf? Cake. The cat said, "Sure, but I need a cup of flour, sugar, and butter." Cup. The crow heard them and also agreed to help. Crow. The cat, cow, and crow made a surprise cake for the calf. They enjoyed the birthday party together. So kids, wasn't that so much fun? Presented by Smiles and Skills. True learning takes place when you see a smiling face.